Well, welcome to this joint ValueMed and UK drug testing product demonstration video for the new MDPV or monkey dust specific drug test. This is a 500 nanogram per ml test strip. This is the current white pouch foil that we are selling. They will shortly be in UK drug testing foils. But out of the foil, what you get is a single 500 nanogram sensitivity MDPV dip strip test. Maximum dip line clearly indicated on the wick at this end. The handle end has the coding MDPV, and the results and control line occur in this central section. To run a test, these can be used on either powders, tablets crushed into powders, or as a surface wipe test, or in human urine or any other liquid to detect MDPV at 500 nanograms per ml and above. If you are using a powder, then dissolve it in 1 to 2 mils of cold tap water and then run the test just as you would, and I'm going to show you for a urine sample. Dip the test strip into the solution just to below the maximum dip line, and they need to be dipped for between 5 and 15 seconds. What you will see, if I can get this in focus for you, is that central wick section starting to run. And in a negative test results, the results will start to appear in, as you can see, as little as 30 seconds. You're looking for a control line and a test line to indicate a negative sample or a negative result. Now, if you only have the control line showing, which is the line that forms nearest the handle end, you must allow between 8 and a maximum 10 minutes for the test line to start and show to develop to interpret a positive result, which is indicated by a control line, but no test line showing at the 8-minute read time for these test strips. Negative tests, as this one is, can be read as early as 30 to 60 seconds. So a very quick and rapidly responding lateral flow drug test, screening for MDPV monkey dust. It's the first test that's been specifically developed to screen for this synthetic cathinone, and the accuracy of this test in laboratory tests is running at over 99.9% accurate, so incredibly high accuracy levels and specificity levels. There you have it, the MDPV drug test strip, available from UK drug testing kit and the ValueMed websites. We'll put a link description below taking directly through to the website listing and sales listing for this test strip. They're currently available for sale from UK drug testing in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.